remember me. No A string. And goodbye, remember me. Don't let it make you cry. Even though I'm far away, I'll hold you in my arms. I'll just hit the string. Sing a secret song to you. A and B string. Each night we are apart. I'm just no D string, muted. We are apart. Meet the A string again. Remember me. Though I have to travel far. Remember me. Each time you hear a sad guitar. Know when I'm with you, the only way. Just hitting the E string and playing this little D minor shape. Way that G barring all on the second fret and then playing this little shape. No A string. But I can be A minor, and then this is like a G. No A string. And then the movie cheats with drop D here somehow. We'll just play open D. Until you're in. So that's A string and G string. And then the G string, B string. And then B string, E string. So until you're in my heart again. G. Re. Open D and then 1. Re. And then 1 on the D string. 3 on the D string. Remember me.